Okay, let's have a look at the Atlassian kit. They're using some weird plugins. I remember when Figma started to actually explode, they were the best at doing design kits. Now I think they're just using Figma community to host their library. They have a few more files that they share, but basically it's just everything is blocked. Just some screenshots on how to log in. And even this kit, like they brag that, hey, we have now light and dark and stuff like that, but it's only available for internal users, not for the community, which is like, why even put it? But overall, it's not a bad kit for web apps. It's not really optimized for mobile. But if you're doing the kinds of apps that Atlassian does, it's actually pretty good. So yeah, they have a lot of components really well mapped out, done well with libraries and auto layout and stuff like that. So too bad they don't have yet the variables integrated, and this is done manually. But again, not a biggie, especially if you're doing an app like that. You're probably gonna have some systems in place to cover all this. I do like their attention to details and how well they're optimized for like accessibility, like contrast and stuff. So it's always nice to have, and they have a lot of components, buttons, different sizes, stuff like that. So if you need like a complex design system for a heavy app, like if you're doing AI models, stuff like that, this would actually be a pretty good kit to use. Too bad it doesn't have mobile, and that's a bit incomplete. Wish they would share kind of everything with the community. Beggars can be choosers. So